Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're going to explore a place that played a huge role in American history. Ellis Island, the gateway to America for millions of immigrants. For many people, this small island in New York Harbor was the first place they saw when they arrived in the United States, filled with dreams of a better life. Let's discover the history and meaning behind Ellis Island and why it's such an important symbol of hope and opportunity. Ellis Island opened as an immigration station in 1892. Over the next 62 years, more than 12 million immigrants passed through its doors. They came from countries all over the world: Italy, Ireland, Germany, Russia, and many others, seeking freedom, jobs, and a new start in the land of opportunity. When immigrants arrived by ship, they first saw the Statue of Liberty, a symbol of welcome and freedom. Then, they were taken to Ellis Island, where they went through inspections. Doctors checked their health, and officials asked questions about their identity and plans. Most people passed through quickly and entered the U.S., but some were delayed or even sent back if they were sick or could not prove they would support themselves. For many immigrants, Ellis Island was a place of anxiety, but also of great hope. Families waited together, hoping to be allowed in. The island became known as the Island of Tears for those who were rejected, but also as the Island of Hope for the millions who began new lives in America. In 1954, Ellis Island closed as an immigration station. Today, it is a national museum where people can visit and learn about the immigrant experience. Many Americans today can trace their roots to ancestors who came through Ellis Island, making it a powerful symbol of the American dream. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know how Ellis Island became the gateway to America for millions of immigrants and why it continues to be a symbol of hope and opportunity. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.